Hi everyone, my name is Sheena and welcome to my channel. Join me as I explore the beautiful place of El Nido, Palawan. On our first day, we visited Vanilla Beach. It is the first and only strip mall in El Nido, and it's a 5-minute walk to their iconic beachfront and sunset. This place is very chill. They have a live DJ and you can order your favorite drinks while waiting for the sunset. We are on our day 2 and we're going island hopping. Here in El Nido, they offer different tour packages and we decided to get Tour A. Our assembly time was 8 a.m. and since we were an hour early, we decided to walk the streets of El Nido town.
So our waiting area for our group is the side, okay? So we're going this side. Okay.
So we are now back from our island hopping. We're very hungry, we're starving, so we're gonna go grab something to eat. We've had a few drinks after dinner and we decided to head back to our hotel. Our day 3 is more laid back. We've visited Nacpan and Duli Beach. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to take you to my next adventure. Till then.